Hey guys, hope everyone is doing good. If this is your first time here, then welcome. So today I'm going to be trying the most expensive deep conditioner in my stash. We're talking all about the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I am looking forward to seeing if some of the hype that I've heard about it is true. This is 8 ounces for, let me pull up my little screenshot. Ounce for ounce, this is definitely my most expensive deep conditioner in my entire stash. 8 ounces for $39. I got this bad boy with a gift card. Comparing it to the second most expensive deep conditioner that I have in my stash, the Melanin Hair Care Deep Conditioner. This one is 16 ounces for $32. I really enjoy this deep conditioner. 8 ounces, $39. Double the product for $32. I am looking forward to seeing how the Briogeo does on my hair today. This is what the texture of the product looks like. I'm trying not to turn it too much because we don't want to lose an ounce of this pricey stuff. But we're going to get into some of the attributes about this stuff to see what they're selling on the back of this jar to justify the $39 price tag. So it says that this contains a unique blend of avocado, sweet almond, and argan oils, as well as hair essential vitamin B5 and biotin to repair damaged hair, enhance shine, and reduce breakage. All 3 of those are what I am looking for this wash day and every wash day really, so I am very intrigued. For usage, it says that you can leave this in for 10 minutes. I never leave anything in my hair for just 10 minutes, let alone a deep conditioner. For even deeper deep conditioning, which is my realm, cover your hair with a plastic cap to retain moisture while sitting under the dryer for 20 minutes, then rinse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my hothead deep conditioning cap to really get it in there, really get it into my strands. So of course down in the description box we'll have the full ingredient list down below. Water first and foremost, cetyl alcohol, which is a fatty alcohol, good for helping to moisturize. It does have algae extract, which my curls really enjoy. Aloe vera leaf juice, avocado oil, we've got that argan oil, sweet almond oil. Biotin is pretty high up on the list. Hydrolyzed keratin in there, which is good for a little hit of strength. Rose fruit oil, ginseng root extract, some glycerin, grapefruit, lemon, and tangerine oils, which my hair traditionally is not a fan of the citrus oils, but luckily they're pretty far down the list. I am going to go ahead and detangle this stuff, cleanse it, get it all nice and prepped for the deep conditioner, and then we'll be putting this little pricey baby to the test. So I'll be back when it's time for the application process. So this is a first. We're doing a deep conditioner application here on the balcony because I'm running out of time and I don't have time to do like my whole ring light, camera, extension cord setup in my room. So we'll see if the wasps out here let me do what I need to do for this deep conditioner. I have clarified my hair. I used an extra cleansing shampoo, which is something I always like to do whenever I'm trying a brand new deep conditioner for the first time, to really make sure my hair is nice and clean. So far so good. I used one of my favorite shampoos that I am almost out of, and it's been discontinued. The brand is no longer in business, so I'm gonna be so sad when I'm all done with that. Time for our Briogeo. Let's pop this puppy open. I'm trying not to waste any of this $39 stuff, so of course I'm getting whatever's on that lid. Here's what we're looking like texture wise. Very nice, very creamy, not too thick. It's kind of giving me the whole Goldilocks of deep conditioners consistency that I like. Not too thin, not too thick. Gonna put it right here on this little struggle crown area. Going on really nicely just from this initial application. Put a light coating on this section that I'm not working on so that I can focus on this section that I am without it drying out. And I'm also not going to use my hothead because I am going to the gym. I'm going to put a shower cap on and then one of my Gray Soleil slap caps to let my body heat, let everything penetrate and get in there nice and good during my workout. So that is my new plan. I'm really liking the texture of this stuff. And a little bit more on the ends, like really just a little bit. I feel like I don't need as much of this deep conditioner as usual, which is also very pleasant and also makes sense since it's kind of pricey, that a little bit would go a long way. It's got some nice slip too. My ends feel like I need a trim, so I got a lot of single strand knots going on. I've got some additional tangles on the end because of that, even though I just detangled very thoroughly, but this is helping me to get any scragglers and new tangles that have retangled. I think I'll add a little bit more to my roots too because they're feeling a little interesting. My roots are also pretty tangled, and this again is helping to detangle very nicely. Like, look at this, y'all. Look how much additional shed hair I'm able to remove with this stuff too. And when I tell you guys my roots are tangled, we're more like heading into matted territory. So the fact that it's like able to really get in there, those sections in particular. And twist this up, move on to our next section. My initial prediction is that this is going to leave my hair feeling very soft. Don't even got time to remove the shed hair right now. I am about 10 minutes in from having to leave the house. This doesn't really have a smell to me. If anything, it might have a slight, like, I don't know, avocado smell. So it's not sweet. It's more like a very mild, like, vegetable scent almost. I don't know. Maybe it's the avocado oil mixed in with the other oils in there. This is smoothing very nicely too. Smoothing, softness, slip, like all the 3 S's. Gonna add a little bit more on top here. Not that much. Because I'm thinking I'm doing my first wash and go since March, and it is mid-June. So I want my hair to be really hydrated, help to soften that frizz a little bit more than usual since I'm doing a wash and go. And the key for that is hydration and moisture and smoothness. So make sure that I coat this puppy. I got a bad tangle. Ooh. Here it is, right here. Here's the offender. Right here. This is helping me to remove that tangle. This is disappearing into my hair, which is always a good sign for low porosity me. Product is not just sitting on top of my hair. There's another tangle, but look at this. Look at this. There's a bug. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm doing something. Voila, you guys. Like, I like this stuff. That's a problem. Even just with me, like, applying a thin coating on this side, like, look at this, y'all. Like, this is not normal for me. This is not normal. Start off with a generous application. Briogeo usually has a 20% off sale during Black Friday. Y'all know that unless it's like a PR package or something, I'm really not trying to bring more stuff into this house until I use up a substantial amount, especially if I do end up moving this fall. So this is on the radar for used up half her stash, Ashley. This tangle is gnarly. Ah. You would think that after being tender-headed for my entire life, my head would have gotten used to this. No, it still hurts just as much as when I was a little girl. I'm just able to tolerate it more, but it's still not fun. This has helped me to detangle so well that this would also be a great get your hair super detangled before straightening deep conditioner. So I might use this in the wash day before my straight hair wash day, just to get a head start on removing some shed hair before that wash day. Now we're working with something. Okay, tangle the roots a lot easier now. So I just got back from the gym. I think this has been on my hair for maybe a little over 2 hours, so nice amount of time. Oh yeah, me like. I was not expecting to like an almost $40 deep conditioner this much, especially one that's just 8 ounces. What the what? Then I'll be back when this is all rinsed out for final thoughts. I'm all done rinsing out this stuff. The rinse out process was very nice. You know when you get that feeling, I've talked about it so much on my channel, I know a lot of you guys can relate, a deep conditioner feels awesome in your hair, but then when you rinse it out, all that magic just goes down the drain. But with this, my hair still feels super soft. I had that light fragrance of whatever this is fragranced with. Super hydrated. Like, the softness is great, but like the actual like deep seated moisture that feels like my hair is benefiting from is even better. So I'm sure those two are working in tandem together to give me these results. But safe to say, I really like this stuff. The whole thing of this video, is this $39 deep conditioner worth it? I would say yes. I get the hype, like this does perform better on my hair than a majority of deep conditioners that I've tried over the years, and you guys know that I've tried a lot. I love the fact that it has like a protein moisture balance going on, that hydrolyzed protein, the other ingredients that's in there in addition to the moisture benefits. It makes me feel like my hair is getting the best of both worlds. And I will say that although this deep conditioner is a bit pricier than the ones that I normally use on my wash days, I didn't use as much as I thought I would. You guys know my hair is like Pac-Man. It will just gobble up product like there's no tomorrow. I still have more than half of the product left, which for me in 8 ounces is saying something. So I do find that it's a little bit more concentrated than some of my other deep conditioners. I estimate that I might be able to get maybe 3 more uses out of this. For the amount of hair that I have and how thick and dry that it is, I think that is pretty good to get 4 uses out of an 8-ounce container. So I'll be enjoying this one while I have it, and we will be reunited in the future. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps out my channel. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, comment one of your favorite emojis. That's a new thing that I've been doing, and it's really fun seeing what you guys pick. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so as well. I would love to have you. Remember that I upload videos every Friday, and I've been sprinkling in some shorts in the mix in the in-between time, so make sure to check those out as well. I will see you all in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.